Well, the underwater video workshop was amazing. I love diving in the Maldives. Diving here is amazing, especially if you're looking to do wide-angle shots, and the fact that you can do that for 10 days on a boat, where you can just go to all these dive sites that you may not be able to reach otherwise, dive with people who also film in a similar way to how you film, or like who dive those in a similar way to how you dive, is amazing. And just the life here, underwater life, just is amazing to film, especially, like I said, wide angle shots. Just so much fish everywhere. And yeah, I love coming back here every time, and I'm looking forward to coming back again. So another reason I love these workshops is you get access to gear that you will not have access to and you may want to buy in the future, but also sometimes you get access to gear that you didn't think you needed. For example, we had the scooter here on this workshop, and I think that's something I might consider buying now in the future, just given how easy it makes current diving, and it just changed the way I look at diving a little bit. And you have all these other, like from a camera gear standpoint, you have all these different accessories for cameras that you might own, but maybe you want to buy in the future. You get to try those out. I got to do that with the Divevolk, some of the Divevolk accessories, like the wide angle lens and the dome lens. And yeah, like it's a good way to really do your research, get hands-on experience with this gear before you buy it. So this is actually my third workshop with Matthias, and I love coming back, and I'm pretty sure I'll be coming back to more, simply because I get to dive with people in groups who are also doing underwater videography. I've often found myself in dive groups where either I'm the only one with a camera, or there are people who have cameras but all they do is take a quick clip of an animal and then they move on. Whereas when you're doing a videography type of dive, you want to take your time to set up the shot and spend time with your subject, just waiting for them to do something interesting. And that takes time. That requires staying in the same area for a long time. And that's usually not really possible when you're doing your regular dive trips. So I love coming here on these workshops where everyone else is trying to do the same thing, and we can just spend 45 minutes in one spot and everyone couldn't be happier because they got the perfect shot they were looking for.